Hello everyone, my name is Anurag and welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make like this omega clasp for your beautiful earring. So let's start. First of all, let me delete this one and I'll show you from the beginning. First of all, take a curve. This curve length should be around 10 millimeter. Do it 1 mm pipe and cap should be round. Take this out. Now it's time to make the shape of the omega lock. Shape should be something like this. Make it perfect and beautiful. Okay. Cut this from here and take this out like this and do it revolve to 8 point. So maintain the shape of the curve and do it, make it surface like this and not delete this curve. It's time to make the shape from this angle, from front view. First of all, let me hide this. Yeah, now make this log shape like this. Trim this. Do it joint and delete this point and make it some little narrow like this. And maintain the log shape properly and smoothly also. Do it rebuild again like 12 point or more point. Do it from 16 point and okay. Let's do some wide from here. Yeah, also this. Yes, and trim this surface and delete this. Now you have very basic shape of the lock. Now it's time to do offset surface like 0.8 millimeter, but don't do it solid, only just offset. And now we will have to do one thing, just rotate this like this. Yeah, do it something like this. Do it offset of 0.8 millimeter here and here. Do it rebuild first with less point and make it wider here. So we are going to make a lock here. Like this. Leave this space leave this space around 0.7 or 0.8 millimeter. Take a circle of 0.7 millimeter or 0.8 millimeter. Yeah, do it blend curve like this. Yeah, maintain the shape properly. No, don't do this. No need. It's no need. And do it proper on shape. Make the curve perfectly. And do it blend curve. Also close from here. Do it solid like 1 millimeter. Yeah, also do this to solid also. And take circle here of 0.8 millimeter. And do it solid and do boolean difference both of this. Now it's time to make cut here. Take this edge, do it project to C plan, take it offset like 0.8 millimeter. Do it revealed. And here you can make it slightly narrow. Yeah. And do it solid and cut this like this. Now if you want to close this, you can close. Just take extrude surface and take copy and take another line here, another line here, and do it trim. Yeah, and take a duplicate border and do it solid. Yeah, do it fillet to look very smooth. What is this? Oh, let's leave here. Do it back. And oh, this is just because of this. Do it scale only very little. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, now it's perfect. Paste this one. Do it fillet like 0.2 or 0.1 according to your choice. Yeah, do it also fillet, and also this, and do it scale 1D like this. Also you can fillet with this like 0.1 millimeter. Yeah, and insert one line here. Do it project to C plan and extrude like this. Do it fillet like 0.1 millimeter. Also this and this. Now your omega lock is ready. Unhide your earring and just move it like this, a little bit up. Yes, perfect. I hope you really like this. If you have any doubt, just ask me in the comment box. Also, please like, share and subscribe the video. Okay, bye bye, see you.